everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. Thanks for watching. This week's Super Cool Fold is truly spectacular. It is a limited edition publication. This is called Flight, and it features the photography of Wendy Patton. This was produced by my friends at Brilliant Graphics in Exton, PA. The bindery work is Roswell Bindery, Phoenix, Arizona, and this was designed by Unitic Design. So this piece is gorgeous in so many ways. I wish you could see it and touch it and experience it in person, but I'll do my best here. So it has a red cover. This is Color Plan 130-pound bright red antique finish. It has a die cut here, and I love how it goes around. So it kind of goes all the way around, and you can see there's a thickness going on here. So it wraps this perfectly, but this is not a pull tab. You do not access it this way. You actually push it this way. So it's really nice. So this comes off, and then you've got this publication. It's pretty thick. You can see there's a soft touch lamination on the outside, so it has a really nice rose petal feel. And then it's actually an accordion book. So there are two boards, the covers are mounted, and you've got this accordion fold featuring really beautiful photography on both sides. So I'm just going to be careful with it. It's actually not delicate, but I just don't want it. It's so beautiful. I want to keep it in pristine shape. But you can see here, it's an accordion. And these were printed offset on Opus 100-pound doll cover with a spot gloss varnish. These were printed, as I said, offset, 400 line screen, 2 blacks, 2 grays, so just impeccable quality. Then the scored sheets, it's about a 39-inch sheet. The scored sheets were then sent to Roswell, who hand mounted these boards to the covers and put this all together. They did about 400 of them, so limited edition in publication, and just, I mean, the finish and fit, it's just spectacular. So beautiful, beautiful work. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. Accordion book with custom sleeve. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dialogues, and print. Or remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.